This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav on Wednesday inaugurated a new integrated manufacturing unit of Godrej Consumer Product Limited in Malanpur industrial area of Bhind district. The company has invested around Rs 450 crore in this new unit. This is Godrej Group 4th integrated manufacturing unit in Madhya Pradesh. More than 600 people are expected to get direct jobs through the new facility. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said the new investment shows the growing trust of industries in Madhya Pradesh. He said Chambal is changing rapidly and becoming an important industrial region. The Chief Minister added that Chambal is now creating a new identity through industrial development. The government said such investment will create job and support local economic growth. The Youth Congress held a protest outside the official residence of Madhya Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister and Finance Minister Jagdish Devda in Bhopal on Wednesday. The protest was linked to an alleged financial irregularities of Rs 600 crore in the state government treasury. Youth Congress workers led by State Vice President Abhishek Parmar reached the residence at around 2 p.m. They carried bundles of notes and wanted to hand them over to the Finance Minister. Police stopped them from entering the residence. After this protest threw the notes into the air, police detained the protesters and took them to TT Nagar police station. The protest ended, but notes remained scattered on the road for some time. Deputy CM Jagdish Devda criticized the protest and said Indian currency had been inserted. He alleged that the protesters threw a note on the ground and said the incident showed the level of Congress politics. Former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Digvijay Singh reached Neelam Park in Bhopal on Wednesday. He met candidates protesting over Teacher Recruitment 2025 and vacant teaching post. The candidates have been demanding action from the government on their recruitment issues. Digvijay Singh said the demands of our protesters were genuine and should be considered seriously. He asked the state government to find a solution soon. Singh also gave a warning to the government. He said that if the demands are not accepted, he will personally sit on a 24-hour hunger strike from Teachers' Day. The candidate welcomed his support and continued their protest at Neelam Park. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has taken serious note of a school van incident in Dewas. A school van carrying children entered a water-filled railway underbridge despite the dangerous conditions. The incident happened on August 25th at the Civil Lines Railway underbridge in Dewas. The driver removed the barricade and entered the flooded underbridge. The van later stopped because of the high water level. The children were traveling in a magic van of City Convent School. Following the incident, the driver was arrested and sent to jail. The vehicle has also been seized. A separate case has been registered against the school management. The Chief Minister has ordered strict action to prevent such incidents in the future. The Madhya Pradesh government is preparing to change its decision on school uniforms for government school students. Under the earlier plan, students from class 1st to class 8th were to receive stitched uniforms. Around 56 lakh students are covered under the scheme. However, more than half of the academic session has already passed and many students have still not received their uniforms. The School Education Department is now preparing a new proposal. The department may seek fresh approval from the State Cabinet. After approval, money for uniforms may be sent directly to students' bank account through direct benefit transfer. The move is expected to help students receive the uniform money without further delay. Eid Miladun-Nabi procession were taken out in different parts of Bhopal on Wednesday. The All India Muslim Festival Committee organized a procession from the Mangalwara area. Another procession was also held in the Ashoka Garden area. A large number of people from the Muslim community took part in the programs. During the procession in Mangalwara, several girls were seen performing traditional sword skills. The performances attracted attention from people present in the area. The procession were held as part of Eid Miladun-Nabi celebrations. Security arrangements were also made in the area where the procession took place. Madhya Pradesh is likely to receive more rain today, August 26. The monsoon remains active across the state. The weather department has warned of heavy rain in several districts including Bhind, Datia, Panna, Damoh, Tikamgarh, Niwadi and Sagar. Thunderstorm, lightning and strong winds may also occur in some areas. Bhopal and many other parts of the state may also receive rain The weather system is expected to remain active for the next few days. People in low-lying areas have been advised to stay alert as heavy rain may cause waterlogging and local flooding.